It helps you measure planned revenue, planned cost, target profit, actual profit, margin, pending bills, and pending costs. So project profitability become much easier to review and manage. In the user, there are multiple groups. Project profitability, there are multiple groups, that project profitability: viewer, editor, financer, and approver. So you can set the users record rule from here. And in the project view, you can see the revenue, cost, profit, margin, total invoiced amount in every project, so you can get better idea. And you can also see the state of the project, how it is going on. And there are one configuration for cost categories. From here you can create multiple cost categories for your projects. And from the reporting menu, you can see the project profit control center, profitability analysis, billing gap finder, cost gap finder, manual profit lines, profit snapshot, and customer ratings. So let's check the project profit control center. From here you can see the many multiples view. For example, this is list view of your whole project. From there you can see all the required amount as of revenue amount, revenue invoice amount, total revenue, total cost, uh, profit amount. Every single detail will be mentioned here. Here is the pivot view. From here you can check the project total and generate report from how your business need. And here is graph view. So from project profit control center, you can see multiple views of your projects. This is let's check. In the project, you will get all profitability reports idea. There is one menu item, profitability. From here you can see the target values, that how much revenue you plan for this project, how much cost plan for this project, total profit amount, target profit in percentage, warning profit in percentage, and the summary of the current project status. So how much your total revenue, total cost, expected cost, everything will be mentioned here. uh, Below that you can check the revenue breakdown. So how much revenue is confirmed, how much is invoiced, manual amount is how much. You can all data will find here. Below that you can find cost breakdown, how much timesheet hours cost of timesheet, all expenses and billed amount, manual cost will be shown here. There is some action buttons from which when you can find directly timesheet, all the sale orders of the project, vendor bills. You can also print the excel report for the same project. Customer invoice you can directly open from the here, and open expense from the here. And here you get some warning that invoices are pending, manual cost line are approving. So you can get a better idea that how much work is pending for you right now. Below that you can find gap finder. Here is billing gap or cost gap, then it will show you here and give some warning statement. From this print statement you can print the project profitability report. It will print a PDF report where you can find all the data regarding to the revenue. And here you can find the revenue summary, cost summary, profit summary, and detailed manual income and cost lines, and warning and final remarks statements. You can print the report Excel report for your all projects. So select all project and print profitability Excel report. Here you can see all the report values regarding your projects. All project are mentioned here, which is you selected in the list view. Here you can find the gaps analysis and everything. Manual profit lines will be shown here. If you create any profit lines manually, then you can find it here. uh, you can also create manual lines from the project. Here you can see the three uh, state: draft, approve and reject. You can approve or reject manual lines from the here. If you reject, then it will show as a rejected, and if the line is approved, then it show it up in approved state. From here you can create a snapshot. When you create click on that, project name, snapshot date, profit status, revenue, cost amount will be automatically set. And you can manually add revenue, invoiced amount, cost, timesheet, everything for your snapshot. And you can get all the snapshot records from the here.